Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you a very simple and delicious and healthy recipe from Jicama. This can be just a snack before food or just a snack alone. I just started to eat this and I wanted to share with you guys. So all you need is basically just a Jicama, a lime and some chili and some salt. The next, you will want to clean up the Jicama. It's so crunchy and delicious. So the way I clean it, you can actually feel it just like that comes out. I'm actually thinking of growing Jicama in the future in my new forest. I will make my dressing, which will include some chili, one tablespoon of chili, lime juice. The next, I will cut this one for matchsticks. So I used a little bit of sea salt, and the next, you can just grab a couple of matchsticks, dip it into your sauce. It's very, very fresh, very refreshing, very crunchy. Pretty good tasting snack. So yeah, I just started to eat Jicama because I'm doing this 30-day plant-based diet challenge. And I feel like I was missing out in my whole life because I never tried it before. So next time if you see it at your supermarket, grab one, give it a try. Let me know if you like it. It is a really good snack. If you like the video, push a thumbs up please and subscribe, and I will see you in other videos, more interesting recipes and plant videos. Have a good one. Bye.